Vegetarian.
Police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown.
About a week ago, with us in there we tweaking, ho, run up on that.
Round 1, fight! Oh, you can finish him! Yeah! You lose.
I so knew you were gonna scare me. I never knew there was.
You want me to show you tough? I'll show you tough.
Oh, get out the way. I got 99 problems, but it ain't one.
Now, what are you doing?
Welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West.
I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always
Cocaine.
I'm in love with I'm in love with
when your legs don't work like they used to before.
You can't eat all at once. We all get one each sweet.
Wasn't me. Really, nigga? Really, nigga?
Hey Mum, our winter formal's coming up, can I go?
No, now get out.
A few moments later.
I'm a boss. I plan the shots.
Hey, sup bro, what are you up to?
Yeah, nothing much, just chilling.
Were you watching Grand Final? Hello?
Do you have a dollar?
I don't know what you heard about me. But if this can't get a dollar out of me, then I'm a motherfucker. I agree.
Bro, what are you up to tomorrow?
아, bro, I was calling a girlfriend for
Yo, kid.
Yo, 한번 뺑뺑나서. Yo, 왜 뺑뺑What are you up to?
When tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own.